Is it still possible to recover financial damages if you are hit by an uninsured or underinsured driver in Washington? It is possible to claim damages after an accident with an uninsured driver only if you have uninsured motorist insurance yourself. Driving without insurance is illegal in Washington, but it does still happen. If ever you have this misfortune to be in an accident against such a driver, you will not be able to make a claim against them for damages unless they are independently wealthy. Your only hope of recovering financial compensation is if you already had uninsured motorist coverage with your own insurance company, in which case an experienced automobile attorney can help make sure they fully compensate you. If you are ever in an accident with an uninsured driver, a personal injury attorney may still be able to help you obtain financial compensation. Contact Washington State Personal Injury Attorney Matthew Hale for advice about uninsured drivers and uninsured motorist insurance. For more information about automobile collision compensation with or without uninsured drivers, go to www.mrhale.law.